Hi guys, this is me and thank you for being here. As you know, I'm trying to be consistent on here as your local influencer. So, welcome to my incredible 10-day journey into the heart of the jungle, where I embrace the transformative power of nature and yoga. As a yoga instructor, I've always believed in the profound connection between our practice and the environment around us. Okay guys, just in case you have a question why there are too many shots of the sky in my videos, because I'm in love with the sky. So, join me on a breathtaking journey as we explore the ever-changing canvas of the sky. Because from vibrant sunsets to serene sunrises, I captured stunning shots that showcase the beauty and wonder above us. Let the colors and clouds inspire you, reminding us of the magic that surrounds us every day. Whether you're a nature lover or simply looking for a moment of tranquility, this video is for you. Really guys, I'm so thankful that you're with me as I share the highlights of this unforgettable experience, the breathtaking landscapes, and the profound insights I gained along the way. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or just curious about the journey, I hope to inspire you to explore the beauty of nature and the power of yoga in your own life. You know guys, as a passionate yoga instructor with over 6 years of experience, I embarked on this transformative adventure to deepen my practice and reconnect with the essence of life. Guys, self-love is everything. Love yourself. Please, for God's sake, love yourself. Be your own lover. Meditation played a pivotal role in our journey, allowing us to dive deep into our inner selves and cultivate a profound sense of peace. Surrounded by the majestic mountains and the soothing embrace of nature, we found clarity and connection, transforming our minds and hearts. So, again, join me as I share the highlights of this unforgettable experience, filled with laughter, learning, and the pure joy of being present in the moment. This journey was not just about yoga. It was a celebration of life, health, and the incredible power of nature to heal and inspire. Guys, imagine walking for hours through verdant landscapes where the air is filled with the sweet sense of nature and the sounds of rustling leaves and the chirping birds create a symphony of tranquility. Each step was a meditation, a moment to appreciate the beauty of our surroundings and the serenity within ourselves. Guys, throughout the journey, I faced challenges that tested my limits, navigating through dense foliage, adapting to the unpredictable weather, and connecting with a diverse group of fellow yogis. Each experience taught me valuable lessons about resilience, patience, and the importance of community. As the sun set, we gathered around the campfire, sharing stories and reflections on our day. The jungle came alive with sounds, the rustling of leaves, the calls of exotic birds, and the distant roar of a waterfall. These moments of connection deepened our bond and enriched our practice.